What's going on, guys? Today we continue with our income growth series with the 7 best side hustles that can pay you anywhere from $50 up to $200 an hour. Here on the channel, we talk a lot about long-term wealth and financial freedom, and the first step to do that is to increase your income. So if you like videos about business, money, and psychology, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to not miss any of our value-packed videos. And let's get started. Side hustle number 1. Buy and sell used items. If you're looking to start a side hustle that starts producing cash right away, one of the best and fastest ways to get started is to buy something at a cheaper price and sell it for a profit. There are many ways to do this, and if done right, 1 hour of your time can be worth hundreds. If you're the type of person who likes a little exercise, a good idea is to go and check out some garage sales. There are people who are either moving and need to get rid of their stuff or just upgrading their homes and getting rid of the old stuff. This can be a great way of finding good deals on good items that you can later resell for a higher price to interested buyers. And you can sell them on places like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or eBay. You are basically helping someone get rid of their items they no longer want and matching them with someone who wants to buy them, all while taking a good profit home. Another way you can buy and sell stuff to make money is by finding good deals on places like Craigslist and sell them to interested buyers in other platforms like Facebook Marketplace. If you can buy an iPad on Craigslist for $250 and sell it on Marketplace for $480, you just made $230 in just a couple of hours. And again, you're helping someone get rid of an item they no longer want and helping another person find an item they want to buy. Now, this typically requires that you have a little bit of money in hand to buy the item first so you can sell it. But just in case you don't have any cash in hand but you still need to make money, you can do a couple things. Number 1, help family and friends sell the stuff they don't want anymore. This way, you don't have to purchase the product before you sell it. You can simply share profits with the owner. And another great way to do this with no money is by going to places where people are trying to get rid of their stuff. If you go to Craigslist, there's a free section. If you take a little time to look, you might find good stuff that people are just looking to get rid of. If you're able to pick up the item, whether it's a table, a fridge, or a couch, you'll be able to sell this free product and make some profit for yourself. Now, another way to make money selling stuff is what we call retail arbitrage, which means taking advantage of price differences in different platforms, just like we did from Craigslist to Facebook Marketplace. For example, let's say that there's a popular game that normally costs $30, but you notice that your local Walmart has a sale on those board games and they're selling for only $15. You know that this is a popular game and people are buying it, so you go and buy 20 of them at $15 each and you sell them on Amazon or eBay for the normal retail price of $30. Let's say that this process only takes you 3 hours of total work to go to the store, list the items, and ship them to your customers. And you made a $300 profit in 3 hours, which is $100 per hour. Side hustle number 2. Drive people around in your spare time. If you got a good car and have a little spare time, you can make some cash by driving around. Uber and Lyft revolutionized the transportation system by helping the average person with a car make money to take other people to their destination. So taking a few hours out of your day to help people get to work or get back home safely can make you a few extra bucks that otherwise you wouldn't have. And these apps also have other services like taking food or groceries to the customer's home, which also pay you to drive. Side hustle number 3, tutoring. If you have knowledge or skills in a particular area, you can tutor those who are starting out learning that skill. Whether you're good at playing an instrument or you are magnificent at writing fiction, you can use your talents to teach or tutor those who are just getting started. Now, many people do this locally in person, but this can also be done over the internet. This can evolve into your own coaching business where you can help a person one-on-one using services like Skype, or you can help more than one person at a time where you can host group coaching sessions. If you charge $100 per person on a 2-hour group session for 10 people, you just made $500 per hour just for sharing your skills with others. Once you learn what your audience likes and needs, you can even create your own online course and sell it to interested buyers, creating more of a passive way of earning money sharing your skills with others. Number 4. Online freelancing. If you have a skill that could be useful to other people, this might be a great way to make a side income. For example, let's say that you are good at creating incredible logos and graphic designs. So you can go to places like Upwork or Fiverr.com and offer your services to those who need them. Companies are always on the lookout to find talented people to outsource work to meet with their business's goals. Whether that is video editing, animating, photo editing, copywriting, voiceover, coding, website design, funnel building, or anything in between. If you're good at something that can be useful for a business, chances are you can find ways to make a side income as a freelancer. Number 5. Rent parts of your house on Airbnb. Airbnb is an app that allows you to rent parts of your house or entire houses to people who are traveling or visiting and are looking for a place to stay. Many people use this as a way to generate a good side income, and some use it as a full-time business, since users can rent out their spare bedrooms from $30 up to $300 or more per night. This can be a great option for a good source of extra income. Number 6. Social media management. As we all know, social media is becoming essential for any business to stay relevant, but many business owners don't know how to use it or don't have time to manage it, which makes for a great opportunity for those who enjoy social media and can help businesses run it. From content creation and content scheduling to community management and ads, there is a lot of value that a social media manager can provide for a business. The great part about this is that you can have clients on retainer, meaning you can have clients who pay you every month for your service. And number 7, become a part-time closer. With social media, many businesses and influencers have a surplus of prospects interested in buying their products, but they don't just because they have a few unanswered questions and want to talk to a person before buying, which leads companies to lose lots of money in incompleted sales. This is especially true for internet companies who rely only on sales pages to sell their products. This has created a new business opportunity for people with no business experience. This is what is called high-ticket closing. This is a skill that not many people have, making it a highly paid skill. I personally started learning this skill in the last couple months, and it has already added thousands of dollars to my income. Now, for the sake of keeping this video short, I'm going to be hosting a private training with one of my personal mentors, Dan Locke, who, by the way, has made millions using this one skill. The link for the private training will be in the description of this video. I know that some of you will use this skill as a tool to completely change your income. In the comments below, let me know what will you do this month to increase your income. And I will see you in the next video.